Over time, YouTubers have influenced my life and the decision to buy or not to buy different products. Welcome to the second part of YouTubers Made Me Buy video. If you haven't seen the first part, I will have it linked down on the description box, so go ahead and check it. If you are curious to see what are other YouTubers that made me buy makeup. Okay, I think we are already on the second part of this video. Another person who doesn't need any recommendation from anyone is Goss. Old dear Wayne. How many videos I've watched done by Wayne? I don't know, maybe there are 100 or so. But I remember that one of the products that he was raving when I was starting to watch him, it was a product by Kiehl, and is the Micro Blur Skin Perfector Primer, which claims to improve skin quality over time. And I was intrigued by that product because I was hoping that over time it will help reduce my enlarged pores. Well, that product was not so blurring. Now I have other blurring primers that I feel they are doing a better job for my pores, but back on time I think it was the best one that I've tried. So I enjoyed it while it was lasting, but I haven't repurchased it after that. Another product, or products, because this is actually a kit that Wayne made me buy, is this Bare Mineral set. So this set is called Started Complexion Kit, and I have it in the shade Light, if I'm not wrong. So this kit is discontinued, and originally it was coming with 2 mineral foundations. So I have it in the shade Light and Fair Light. So I'm still using those products during summer. Also with a bronzer. So they are loose products, they are loose powders. 2 really good quality brushes that I'm exclusively using for those products because they are not working with any kind of brush that I have. So those brushes are a bit more tough. They are not so soft like the one that are for loose powder, for regular loose powder, and I feel they are doing a better job on blending the mineral foundation. Hence they have put them on this kit. And also what I don't have it, and I wish I would, is the Prime Time Primer that was also coming in this kit. I will put here on the screen the presentation of this kit. But yeah, I have this product, those products I have it as a result of watching Wayne's Goss recommendations. And also Wayne was raving about the Micro Blur Micro Mini Sponges by Beauty Blender, and he still does. Another YouTuber that I'm following from many years is Graf, and she is living in Switzerland, and I bought one of the Rausch shampoo anti-dandruff that she was raving about. She was swearing that she got rid of the dandruff by using that particular shampoo, and I want to say that for me that shampoo, not only that it didn't solve my problem, but it aggravated. So I had even more dandruff, and also my hair, which usually doesn't become oily by the end of 3 or 4 days, because I usually wash my hair every 5 days or even more nowadays. So I was starting to have greasy hair, so that product was not for me. Another product that was recommended by Graf, and I love it. I stand by that product, and I want to say that I haven't found another SPF that was as good as was that one, is the Body Shop SPF 50 Moisturizer. That one was the best SPF out there on the market that I've tried. Lightweight, doesn't peel underneath makeup, doesn't have any white cast weird looking on your skin. So I need to repurchase that product. I need another SPF, and what I have right now, I have two, and I hate them. I don't like either one of those products. So yeah. And the last product that I bought as a recommendation, or at least I remember that I bought as a recommendation of Julia Graf, is the Urban Decay Naked Heat eyeshadow palette. I thought that it's cute, compact, and good for travel, so it is exactly like that. Lisa J. Lisa J is a sweet girl. I discovered her as watching her collab video with Emily Noel in 2018, and I immediately fell in love with her, and I've watched her how she growed throughout those years. I think she was around 50,000 subscribers, but now she's over 150 or even more. She was a MAC trainer. She worked for MAC, so she's a makeup artist. She was doing makeup prior starting YouTube, and she does amazing makeup tutorials, and I'm getting a lot of advices from her. She does tips and tricks that she learned from MAC. She will teach you a lot of stuff, so I really appreciate her for her tutorial and educative videos that she is doing on YouTube. She's a neutral girl. She was really big fan of the ABH Soft Glam, and I think I have purchased, I was already, yeah, because the Modern Renaissance, it was already on my life. I was feeling that I don't need to bring this palette on my life, and I bought it last year. It's not that new. It doesn't even have 1 year since I have it in my collection, but oh my god, you already know that this is my favorite neutral eyeshadow palette, and it's one of my holy grail. This and the Natasha Denona Sunrise, and also I love the Jackie Aina, but I feel that Jackie Aina, I cannot use it just by itself because I don't have enough of transition shades for my skin tone, so I need to combine it with other palettes if I need to do a more day appropriate look. But Soft Glam, it's my holy grail. Another product that Lisa made me buy is the Cover FX Power Play Concealer. I remember that she did a review and comparison last year, and she compared this with the Tarte Shape Tape, and she said that comparing with the Tarte Shape Tape, it's a bit more moisturizing, and that made me purchase it because I have heard many mixed feels and mixed reviews about the Tarte Tape Shape that made me not want to purchase it. But this was, and it's a good concealer for my dry under eye area and with fine lines, so love this product. It's one of my favorite high-end concealers. The other product that Lisa made me buy, I bought it also last year, and she was wearing this product in one of her favorite video. I think she talked about it, is the Bare Minerals lipstick. I have it, she had it on the shade Tease, and this light pink, a bit neutral, it's not that bright pink, and this lipstick doesn't work for me during winter. I prefer to wear it when I have a bit of a tan, but it looks nice on my lips. I have used it on my collab video that I have done with Wendy from My Life Wendy's channel, so if you haven't seen that video and you are interested to see how it looks on my lips, go ahead and check that out. But yeah, Jessica Braun, she's probably my favorite YouTuber out there, the biggest YouTuber, I want to say. I think I love and I trust her. She's so down on earth person. She's so articulated. She will tell you right away if something is good or is not good. I trust her opinion. We have kind of similar skin tone. I think everything she wears is working for me. So I only have in my face, in front of me, two or three products that she made me buy. I'm sure there are more. I remember that she was and still raves about the LA Girl Lady Slim Brow Pencil, and I have done the mistake to order the taupe shade, which is this shade, and it's orangey. But she's using the shade Brunette, and I'm planning to order it because I really want to try it. I love the formula, but I don't like the shade. I've used it a couple of times, more so when I'm dyeing my hair. I'm also dyeing my brows, and when my brows are a bit reddish, then I am able to use this pencil. Since I filmed this video, I have purchased the shade Brunette that Jessica raved about, and oh my god, I love it so much. This is such a good quality. I have many more products that Jessica made me buy, so give it a thumbs up to this video if you want me to do a special video with all these products that Jessica made me buy. Another mascara or another product that Jessica made me buy is the Lancome Monsieur Big Mascara. I still haven't opened it, but I'm planning to do it soon. There is another person that I used to follow back in times, and right now I'm not able to follow so many big YouTubers because I'm supporting smaller channels and my time is limited, but there are many products that she made me buy. Her name is Nicole, and I remember that she made me buy a lot of stuff. So first product that I remember I bought is the Sigma F80 flat Kabuki brush, which is one of my holy grail brushes. She was another person that she was raving about the Makeup Forever HD foundation or Ultra HD foundation, and she also loved this. She was mad about this foundation. So we have similar skin concerns, oily, and for that reason I was all the time feeling like whatever is working for her, it's working for me. Also, she has very oily lids, and when she said that she's using the Smashbox lid primer, I couldn't remember exactly which one it was. So first I purchased the 24-hour photo finish shadow primer, and I thought it's decent. But after that I rewatched her video and I realized that she was talking about the one that is coming with a doe foot applicator, and of course I said I will buy this one. And as a matter of fact, I find that this is not that good as it is this one. So now I think I still blow it because I think she bought the one in white version. I'm not sure if there is some difference in formula. I think this has some pigment to it, so that's why it's your skin tone. Back in time, Nicole was raving about the Nars Audacious lipsticks, and as a matter of fact, I purchased a couple of them. I still have the Anita. I haven't worn it in a couple of months. And also I have the Audrey. She was all the time raving and using the Sigma E40 Tapered blending brush, so I was feeling that I have to have it. Couple of Morphe brushes. This is the one that I still have it. I'm not so big fan of Morphe brushes. I feel that they are hit and miss. This brush, I'm not sure. This is by Japanesque. It's their Kumadori brush. I'm not sure if she was raving about this brush or about the Nars brush, and after that I heard someone saying that this is the dupe for the Nars brush, because the Nars one retails for $45 or so, and this is like half of price. But I wanted to have a brush that has this handle. So a product that I hate and I bought it because Nicole was loving it is the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer in shade Light Neutral. Is mine. And first, the range of the shades, it's yellow based. This product is too old, but is too dry. I feel like it sucks the life from my under eye area. I even don't need to set it, but I don't like how it looks like. My eyes are looking cakey and I look older than I am by the end of the day. So this is like halfway used and I just keep it for a reference and maybe for giving another chance, but I don't know. And some eyeshadows that I purchased because Mico was raving about them are those Stila Glitter and Glow liquid shadows. So I have in shade Kitten and Gold Goddess. And I have another shade, they were a trio, but I just pulled those one for reference. I almost forgot to mention Claire from Diary of a Beauty Geek, and she didn't make me purchase a certain product. I think I don't have a concrete product in my house that I purchased as a direct result of watching her, but what she made me purchase are several beauty boxes or beauty subscriptions all the way from UK, because she's a UK YouTuber, and through her I discovered the cohorted beauty box, the Look Incredible beauty box. I found out about ASOS. I didn't know that ASOS has a beauty box, and also lately I've purchased the Love Lula subscription. So yeah, Claire has also influenced me on buying and showing you some beauty boxes here on my channel. So I think there are enough of information for today's video. Now it's your turn to let me know in your comments down below if you have been influenced by YouTubers in your purchases, and what have you purchased as a result of watching YouTube. And if there are some products which have made you purchase throughout those years since I'm existing here on this platform, please let me know also about this in your comments down below. Other than that, I want to thank you for taking the time to watch, and if you are new to my channel and want to see more of my videos, I would like to consider subscribe. And other than that, I want to wish all to have a great, excellent, fantastic day, and I'm looking forward to see you again on my next video. Bye bye!